A local NCP leader's son in Aurangabad has been arrested after knocking down a girl and killing her in the city. This was a 17-year-old boy who was driving an SUV. And that, in fact, is the image of that young girl. We're just going to play that CCTV camera footage that captures just how she died. This is, like I said, the son of an NCP leader, local NCP leader, who hits a man who was with his nieces, the uncles of the two girls, aged 3 and 2. The younger one died on the spot. There was a lot of anger following the incident, and people who'd seen this incident came rushing to the driver to prevent him from escaping. He has, of course, now been arrested. And that's, of course, some images there of all that anger that we've seen, people standing close by wanting to know just how the driver was, in fact, thinking that he would get away with this. They overturned the car. You can just look at the number of people that turned up there at that incident as news spread of what had happened to this young, innocent girl. Right, let's now go across to Imtiaz, who's joining us from Aurangabad for more on this. Imtiaz, of course, is not a story that's just limiting anger to Aurangabad. We're seeing those pictures there of people angry, running on the streets, overturning that car. But there's just been so much grief, so much anger, so much outrage, really, all across the country. They were seeing that footage, and especially after looking at that image of that young girl. You can see lots of people around you, and no end, I would imagine, to all that anger. What was that 17-year-old doing with the keys of that big car being the biggest question tonight?
Yeah, indeed. Let me tell you, this incident happened somewhere around 8:15. Had it happened a little later, say after 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock, then the market would have opened. The people would have been more on the streets, and the casualties would have been more, the injuries would have been more. But this happened early morning, 8:15, when the shops were still closed. And this is a main area of Aurangabad city. It's a main junction of 4 roads. And it was at that point of time when the accident happened, when this 2-year-old girl with a 3-year-old sister and her uncle were on the way to the temple, when this boy driving an SUV comes and the girl was crushed. I have with me number of people who were present at that time. Let's speak to क्या हुआ था. आप बता सकते हैं कि कल सुबह जब ये घटना हुई थी, वो बच्ची की मौत किस तरह से हुई थी?
वो एक गाड़ी आई इधर से और उसको कोई गाड़ी कंट्रोल हुई नहीं, और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो जो गाड़ी में बैठे हुआ जो ड्राइवर जो था उसका ब्रेक के पैर जाना था. मेरे ख्याल वो स्पीड में उछाले गई, तो वो ड्राइवर की कंफ्यूजिंग लगी और उससे कंट्रोल नहीं हुई गाड़ी, और
लेकिन एक्सीडेंट के फौरन बाद ऐसा देखा गया था कि काफी भीड़ इकट्ठा हो गई थी, वो गाड़ी को काफी नुकसान, काफी लोगों में गुस्सा था इस बात को लेकर.
तो गुस्सा था, इसमें कोई शक नहीं, लेकिन पुलिस टाइम पर आने के बाद जो जिसका भी नुकसान हो जाता है, जिसकी भी डेथ हो जाती है, तो वहां पर वातावरण बहुत खराब हो जाता है. लेकिन पुलिस ने ताबड़तोड़ ड्राइवर जो भी है, गाड़ी में जो थे बैठे थे, उनको पुलिस ने अपने गाड़ी में लेके जाकर उनको पहले अटक कर दी है. और यहाँ पे वो उस जो गाड़ी जो चला रहा था, उसके जान के ऊपर कुछ होना नहीं है, पब्लिक ने कुछ करना नहीं चाहिए थे, तो वो सेफ्टी लेके उनको पहले पुलिस ने प्रोटेक्ट पहले कर दिया उनको.
And let me tell you, this accident happened right opposite the police station. And let me tell you, if you look at the attitude of the police here, the people in Aurangabad just don't seem to fear the police because they are breaking the laws. The police is standing here, but nobody seems to have any respect for the police here. And that is precisely the reason why such type of accidents are happening in a city like this.